Hey everyone! Do you feel nervous when it is your turn to speak in class? Do not worry, you are not alone. Let us learn how to become confident public speakers together. As students, we speak in class, during presentations, or even at events. But public speaking can feel scary, right? I used to avoid it too. But once I started learning step by step, I realized it is a skill we can all build. It helps us express ourselves clearly and boosts our self-confidence. Do not wait for a big stage to begin. I started by answering simple questions in class and reading aloud at home. Practicing in front of a mirror really helped. These small steps gave me the courage to speak up more often. Before giving any speech, I learn as much as I can about the topic. It makes me feel prepared and less nervous. I also practice several times alone with friends and even in front of my family. That practice gives me confidence. Public speaking is not just about words. I learned that how we say things matters. A clear voice, eye contact, and good posture help a lot. Sometimes I even record myself to watch and improve my body language. Have I made mistakes? Definitely. But each time I learn something new. I try not to be too hard on myself because every speaker starts somewhere. With every speech, I get a little better. Speaking about topics I love makes a big difference. When I am passionate, the words just flow. And being myself, sharing my real thoughts and emotions, makes my speech more powerful. That is how I connect with my audience. Public speaking is a journey, and every step counts. Start small, practice a lot, and do not be afraid to shine. You have got a voice. Use it proudly. Let us grow together.